Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing one of my favorite content creators, makeup brand. They just released a new palette. This is the Candy Skies palette by Laura Los Angeles, a collaboration with her niece, who is a very small, well, not very small, but she's a small content creator on YouTube as well. And they kind of collabed and made a beautiful palette. Oh, we'll get more into what the inside looks like later in the video. But if you enjoy, make sure you give it a thumbs up, give it a notification bell, leave me a comment down below. And without further ado, let's get started. We go over how I do this look. And yeah, this is a weird intro. Enjoy. All right, bear with me. I just have some concealer on my lids, but we are going to be dipping into the Candy Skies Laura Lee Cosmetics x Eryn Weaver collaboration. Now, Laura Lee Los Angeles is no stranger here on my channel. I love her products, and this is her newest palette in collaboration with her young creator niece Eryn, and I think it's super cute. I think that's a really cute idea because Eryn does have like a small YouTube channel, things like that. So I think it was really cute, and it gives Eryn a little bit of publicity. Like, I would love my aunt to do that, right? So I saw this on their channel and I died. Look at this. Oh my god. Yes, it is not an everyday palette unless you're staying right in this area. Oh, it smells like old Too Faced, like chocolate bar palettes. Love that. This is gorgeous. This is exciting. This is funky. This is so, I love this. I think this is so needed in Laura Lee's Los Angeles's kind of repertoire. It's a lot of nude, and that's fine because I love nude and so does she, so of course make what you like. But this was like a breath of fresh air, and I was so excited to get it. I am so drawn to these three shades right here. I think I'm gonna dip into these and make like a sunset eye. I don't know where I want to go because my eye also goes to these greens and blues over here, but I'm wearing like a pea green shirt, so maybe I'll stay over here. I am so excited. Let's swatch a few. Where are my makeup wipes? This is just calling my name. We'll do this one. You know I love me some purples. Oh, I was like, where's the third color? On my pinky. All right, y'all, hold on. I'm gonna fresh start. Let's try again. Get a little bit of a better swatch. That was concerning a little bit. Laura Lee, do not let me down, girl. It was just the lilac swatch that was a little bit bad. All right, it's there. It's super light. I don't know. Now I'm nervous. Now I am so nervous. My eyes are primed with my concealer, so let's just start. I'm just gonna go and see where I end up. I'm gonna go into the pure white shade called Marshmallow up here, very lightly to just set down this concealer. I went in very lightly because I don't want like it to be too white all over my lid. I want it to kind of be skin-like, just, you know, set. And you know, I think I gotta start with this lilac shade. It is called E-Bug, so I'm guessing like after Eryn. And let's see. All right, you can kind of see it right away. I want this just very lightly because I'm gonna focus on the orange and pink, but just a little bit of like a transition shade plus another gradient in there. All right, so you can definitely see it. It's just super light, which I like. I love a pastel moment. And I take back everything I said about me being nervous about the color. It blends very nice and it is visible. It just did not swatch well. All right, let's move on. Next, this is gonna be the scary part because I'm gonna pack this Sugar Mama hot pink on the outer corner of my lid. And I just know this color is about to be crazy. I am just patting and then blending. Okay, this is stunning. Patting and blending. I'm like kind of tapping and pulling the color toward the middle. I think I'm gonna be so awful at like tip videos. I don't know if anybody wants tip videos, but I just know that I would struggle so bad with it because I don't know, like I try to show my cousin, like my cousin, obviously most women love makeup and wear makeup, and my cousin's if you haven't watched any of my videos, you don't know that she is basically my sister, and she is stationed in a different state right now due to her husband being in the military. And she always like calls me before she has to like put makeup on to go somewhere, and she's like, Joe, like I need your help. And I'm always like, okay, I can't help. And I'll like sit on FaceTime with her and I'll do my makeup with her and kind of like show her, and I just feel so bad because I feel like I'm explaining it so bad. I'm like, just get the brush that looks like this, and she's like, what are you saying to me? I'm like, okay, hold on. This color is blending so nicely. So I'm dreading making tip videos, but if that's something you guys like want to see or think about, you know, anything like that, I can try. I'm dipping back into the lilac shade and just blending out the top a little bit. Not on the lid, like above the crease. I didn't start with face makeup because I wasn't sure what the fallout situation would look like. So that's not done yet. And I'm just gonna keep packing this color on and blending it towards the middle. How does everybody feel about Tati coming back to the internet? I love Tati. Not talking about any of the drama. I'm not a drama channel. I don't want any hate or discussions going on about that, but I always loved watching Tati. Something about her voice I found very soothing, so I'm happy she's back. Plus, man, the lady put in the work. I mean, posting 5 videos a week, that's a lot. I mean, of course it was her full-time job and she's making millions of dollars, so you know, I'd be a little more excited to post 5 days a week if I was making millions of dollars, but you know, she actually put the work in. And you know, she was doing like Monday Madness where she was going like drugstore shopping a long time ago, finding like super affordable deals and stuff like that. So I mean, and I'm pretty sure if everything she, you know, talks about is true, she's got humble beginnings there. So you know, I'm excited that she's back, and I love the video that she put out addressing all the drama. She kind of just like, this is what happened, let's move on. You know, I've healed, I've grown. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, and I will be right back. I don't know where I want to go from here. I'm here now, I don't know where to go, so give me a second. Okay, so we do have some fallout, and that's fine. That's why I did my eye makeup first, but I'm just gonna go back in with the purple and make sure I blend it up here. I want the purple to obviously be seen, but I also want it to blend in like seamlessly, which I think it's doing very nicely. All right, so now I don't know if I want to go in with a matte. Like, I like this matte roasted caramel orange on the inner part, or if I want this shimmer. I think I'm gonna go with the shimmer, and of course I'm gonna use my fingers. The shimmer is called Sunset. Oh, that's funny. That's what I'm doing here. And I'm just gonna put it in the middle and drag onto the pink. I'll blend it out with a brush after I get the color down. Not as poppin' as I would like. I mean, it's shiny and shimmery, and I do like it, but I was hoping for maybe a little bit of lightness in the inner corner. I can go with the white. I'll highlight my inner corner with the white, I think. In the end, that's what I'll do, but it's pretty. All right, and take your brush that you use the pink on and just blend together very lightly where they meet. Okay, so I have it all done, and there's no denying that it looks stunning. Like, the gradient, the colors, I mean, it looks fantastic. I just wish the orange in the front wasn't so dark. Like, I wish it was like brighter. However, it blends into the pink beautifully. It looks really good. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and I will be back to do the under eye and give you my final thoughts on the palette. Okay, so I have the rest of my makeup on. It is time to finish the look up with my under eye. Now I'm thinking in the under eye, I do this baby blue called Sky Blue right here on my lower lash line. I do have to get kind of close to the mirror, so sorry about the angle and how this is gonna look. It's super light. It's kind of like the lilac where it shows up and the color is really pretty, but it is just a pastel. So it's not going to be as vibrant as the other colors, especially the ones on my lid. Okay, I think I need a purple eyeliner in the waterline and lower lashes, but let's do my inner corner. Where is a good brush foot at? And right in the inner corner, I'm going to take Marshmallow, that white shade that we used at the beginning. Yeah, just brighten up that inner corner. That's why I wish the orange was like brighter, because I feel like my eyes are just a little bit dark. All right, so that is the final look. I actually love how it looks. The blue under eye made it pop just a little bit, kind of looks like clouds. I love it. I love how it looks. I think it looks great. Now my final thoughts on the palette are this. Actually, let me swatch these two. I have not touched those two. Oh, look beautiful. Oh, and this one. I just swatched the rest of the shimmers in the palette. Just take a look. Stunning. Gotta get that off right away, because if I don't, it'll be all over everything. I think it's a great palette. I think it's fantastic. I love it. I love the best shade in the palette I used today was Sugar Mama, this hot pink. It blended so well on my lids. And I love the lilac. The lilac would be so beautiful just all over the lid. Some mascara. Beautiful. This mint is calling my name. I feel like it's gonna be like the other pastels in the palette where it just, yeah, I mean, it shows up. You can see it way better on in person than you can in the camera, but it is also really pretty, and I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this palette. I think it's great for the summer. It's funky, it's fresh, and it was a breath of fresh air for Laura Lee's brand. I believe this palette was $45. It's the same size as her Nudie Patootie. I had a little card. I don't know where I put that. I had a little card with her and Eryn's information on it. Oh, found it. It's right here. It says there are 7 shimmers, 7 mattes, and they also released 2 lip products, lip glosses. I don't need any more lip glosses, especially, you know, nowadays where masks are mandatory in some spaces, not in others. You know, it's a crazy world right now. So I opted to not get the lip products. I just didn't need them. But this, I'm so happy I have. I love the packaging. I love everything about this. And I don't think that anybody needs it. Like, you don't need to run out and get this. But if you're looking for pastels and something fun, I think this is a great option. 14 shades for $45 is not bad. Plus there's Afterpay, and these pastel mattes in here, they're gonna look beautiful. And yeah, I think this is a great palette and I love it. I fully recommend this to you. Do I think it's dire? You need to run out and get it. Best palette ever? No. But if you're looking for a good pastel palette, this is the one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a great time. I know I did. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, come back for more, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. All that is linked down below. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.